The British royal family has fallen on hard times. In some ways, they have always teetered on the brink in public affairs, but now health has become an important issue for many members of the clan. The illness affecting the Windsor family has affected King Charles III, his sister-in-law Kate Middleton, and his sister-in-law's sister Sarah Ferguson. But his sister, Princess Anne, is also experiencing health problems from which she has not yet fully recovered, despite her recent commission to represent the crown to the nation. It seemed that her attendance at the official event was a sign of recovery, but in fact it was only a temporary improvement. This Friday's visit was particularly poignant as Princess Anne herself required emergency care a few weeks ago. Shortly after arriving for the opening of the new emergency department, Princess Anne was photographed chatting with staff. The Royal College of Emergency Medicine praised her return, but the horseback riding accident is still preventing her from leading a normal life. Although she made an effort to support the charity event she was patronizing, she soon had to return home to take care of her health, which had deteriorated in recent days. It was for this reason that she announced the need to slow down again, despite hopes of her return to official activities. It turned out to be just an illusion. This was evident after her announcement that she had cancelled her participation in 2 events that were scheduled for the coming days. It was an unexpected but understandable cancellation for health reasons. Her decision caused some concern, but she made it clear that she would not be able to attend the 2 expected events. She had planned to visit a ship in Scotland that serves as a lighthouse and tourist attraction. That was not to happen. She also backed out of another event scheduled for this Thursday, a visit to Brancaster Station and Citizens Advice Norwich in Norfolk. But those weren't the only events she had to cancel for health reasons. She also declined to take part in more recreational activities. Although these too were of an official nature, a place had been reserved for her at a curious barbecue to which she had been invited by the London Scottish Rugby Club. It was the rugby club that announced that the sister of King Charles III would not be able to accompany them, as Princess Anne wanted to support her family at a time when she was particularly needed. The King's medical vacation, as well as Kate Middleton's absence since January, left them in the dark when it came to introducing the royal family to the world. As a result, Princess Anne has been making more appearances at official events. However, her own health has also deteriorated and she can't handle the busy schedule, so she has had to cancel 3 upcoming appointments. This is a serious matter, as her horseback riding accident in Gloucestershire is still making itself felt. Although she has recovered, she needs to be very careful. Although Princess Anne herself does not remember the details of the accident, she made a public appearance at an equestrian event in Gloucestershire on July 12th, emphasizing her love for horses despite the incident. The situation facing the British royal family highlights the fragility and vulnerability of even the most powerful and public figures. Over the years, the royal family has been a symbol of stability and tradition, but the current health problems show that no one is immune to life's adversities. Princess Anne, despite her dedication and efforts, has to admit that health is paramount. Her recent event cancellations demonstrate how important it is to take care of yourself, even if it requires disappointing the public and changing plans. These events also remind us of the importance of flexibility and adaptation in life. The royal family, like any other institution, must be able to adapt to new circumstances and find ways to maintain their responsibilities despite the challenges. Princess Anne, despite her health challenges, continues to be a symbol of resilience and dedication that deserves respect and understanding. Ultimately, these challenges can be an important lesson for all of us. Health and well-being must come first. Regardless of our responsibilities and expectations, it is important to remember that taking care of ourselves allows us to be strong and effective in the long run. Princess Anne, by her example, shows that even in the most difficult situations, It is possible to find a balance between duty and personal well-being.